iPhone warriors! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out of your iPhone and freaking out? Breathe easy, because today I'm sharing the top 4 ultimate ways to unlock your iPhone when you've forgotten your password. Whether you're in a panic or just curious, I've got the hacks that will save your day. What should I do if I forget my iPhone password? If you forget your iPhone password, don't panic. Stay calm and try to recall. You have a few options to unlock your device. Depending on whether you've synced your iPhone with a computer or enabled certain features, you can choose the method that works best for you. Easy ways to unlock iPhone without passcode. Way 1. Passixer Unlocker for iPhone. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is the top choice for unlocking iPhones without a password or iTunes. It has a high success rate and supports all iOS devices. It can wipe screen passcodes, bypass iCloud activation lock, delete Apple ID without a password, remove MDM from iOS devices, and efficiently delete iTunes backup encryption password with one click. Download and launch Passixer iPhone Unlocker for free from the official website. Then use a data cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. On the home page, select Wipe Passcode, and the program will automatically detect your iPhone. It's essential to double-check that your iPhone information is accurate. Click Start, and the software will download the firmware package required to unlock your iPhone. Once the firmware package is downloaded, Passixer iPhone Unlocker will ask you to enter 0000 to confirm unlocking. Then, the program will immediately begin unlocking your iPhone. All you need to do is wait for the unlocking process to complete. Your iPhone is successfully unlocked. Way 2. Using Find Your iTunes. If you've synced your iPhone with a computer, to restore your iPhone to its original settings, start by connecting it to your computer using a USB cable. Then, open iTunes and wait for it to detect your iPhone. Once your iPhone is visible in iTunes, choose it, navigate to the Summary section, and click on Restore iPhone. This action will delete all the data on your iPhone, including the passcode. Confirm your decision when prompted. iTunes will then begin the process of restoring your iPhone to its original settings. Once the process is finished, you can set up your iPhone as a new device, or restore it from a backup. Way 3. Use iTunes recovery mode if you haven't synced your iPhone with a computer. If your computer doesn't recognize your iPhone, you can still unlock it using recovery mode. Follow the different steps to enter recovery mode for various iPhone models. For iPhone X or later, iPhone SE 2nd generation or later, iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus. Drag the slider to turn off your device, then press and hold the side button and connect your device to your computer. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and connect your device to your computer. For 1st generation iPhone SE or iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the home button and connect your device to your computer. After entering recovery mode, use your computer to complete the process by opening Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Click Restore and Update when prompted, and make sure not to disconnect your device during the restoration. After the process is complete, and if you have a backup, you can restore it. Your iPhone will restart, and the Hello screen will appear when finished. Way 4. Via iCloud. Find My iPhone. Don't forget to remotely erase your iPhone using iCloud. First, open a web browser on your computer or another device and navigate to iCloud.com. Then, log in with your Apple ID and password. After signing in, you'll find a main menu where you can choose Find iPhone. Select Find iPhone, and then go to All Devices at the top of the screen. From the list of devices, pick your iPhone. Finally, click on Erase iPhone to start erasing all the data from your device. These methods offer different ways to regain access to your device. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. We appreciate your support.